Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom. How you doing?
Your father just won the bridge tournament. I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, kids. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
What did the 49ers do last night?
The 49ers beat the Raiders 23-11.
Yes! Order the cab.
A cab will be down in 5 minutes.
What's on my schedule? What's the weather today? Turn on the AC, turn up the volume.
Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Timmy.
Hey, Timmy.
Hello, John.
Hey, Timmy. Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hey, Timmy, play some music.
Hey, Timmy, make a video. Hey, Timmy, order pizza.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, save some for me.
Teamy, the personal robot. You at the center.
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted. A handyman.
I need some light.
A teacher. A friend.
This is fun.
He is perfect in every way. He can be just about anyone. A carer.
Thank you, Ido.
A homemaker. He's a personal butler who's trustworthy. He is whatever you want him to be.
Ido, can you show me the Milky Way story?
Sure. I started off as an idea to make cutting-edge robotics friendly and useful to the home while being affordable. I have been overwhelmed by all the love and recognition I have received so far. Now, I need your help and support to make me really great. Adopt me as your new companion at home.
Ido from InGen Dynamics. Coming soon to your home.
Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Lumo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza? Chinese?
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Lumo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
Hey, Jibo. What's up?
Hey, Aaron. Not much. Just watching the world turn.
Hey, Jibo. How about a joke?
Okay. What did the Earth say to the other planets? You guys have no life.
I'll remember that.
Meet Chibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
Hi, my name is Tapia. And this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night. Not good. So get home early today, take some rest, and... Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Double.
Sure.
Tapia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tabea, call my mom.
Yes. Tabea, dog robot companion.